babe.
Morning.
We are back up north at the property. Well, we're heading into the property. What's our plan for today?
Setting more corner steel posts.
Yeah, and I'm going to be removing rock so that the land plane can compact the dirt better. We have some friends coming up too.
Yep.
They're going to help welding. One of them needs practice because she just went through school, so this will give it to her.
Little field experience.
Right.
Couldn't beat the temperatures. I'm going to be high of 77, low of 50. Perfect weather out. We're not in Phoenix. So.
Right. I was supposed to be in Phoenix today, actually Tempe, doing the Pats run. I wore my shirt. I'm going to be doing my 4.2K up here and call it good. Missing all the Chiefs, but that's okay. We were doing it as a big group. I already saw a picture of them down there. But this is more important to us, getting this stuff done so that we can eventually come up here for good.
Yeah, temperatures heat up, and then we go into fire restrictions, which can't really do too much during that. So try and get it done before then.
Yeah, and especially before the heat, because it does get warm up here. It won't be 115 like down in the valley, but it'll hit 100. Even the 90s are hot, so.
But you got a breeze.
Yeah.
It's a dry heat.
Always a breeze, because it's always windy up here. Chloe's back there like, I wish I could put my head out the window.
Everyone waves as you're driving by them.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, folks. We'll be back.
Yes. Okay, I'm back, and I have my microphone on, so let's hope it works. Chloe's with me. She's not happy. She hates it in here, but she loves to chase after it, so I have to have her with me. So we are about to, I got the land plane back there. We are about to go move a bunch of rocks and use the land plane in that area. I think I'm going to go where Ty's working, which is the northeast corner. And that's about it, so hang tight. We'll see you soon. Okay, we got Aubrey driving the She's going to drive over an anthill. Right there. And now it's flat. She's got a kick out of that. She watched the last one. Watch out. Watch out for all the ants. Oh, they are red ants too. Fire ants. Chuck back there living his best life. Sharing the seat with Chloe. Chloe's not so sure about it, but she's being generous. Hi, Chloe. Dirty.
Welcome back, folks. AZT&T Living. It's a Saturday. Whoa.
When it's bumpy.
Whoa. Easy there, cowboy.
So, we got everything we wanted to get done. We tried to get some more done. And as usual, we had welder issues.
Yep. Yeah, she's getting old. Time to get some new parts in her. That's how it goes.
Yeah, but otherwise, all four corners are, the posts are in. How many are coped? How many have the cross bars? Whatever you want.
4.
And what is that called again?
Horizontal.
Horizontals. Put in. They have to be coped.
Yeah, the bird pad. The round pipe, you cope it. It goes into the other vertical pipe, and then you weld it.
Right. So we have two quarters done.
Yep. Well, I don't know. You didn't paint it.
2 quarters almost done. After I paint them.
I don't paint.
And I had a little bit of back issues, so I decided I was done. And then we were going to do the other 2 corners on the north end, putting the horizontals in, and that didn't happen because of the welder. But that's okay, because we got more done, right?
Yeah, thanks to Matthew and Sam and Aubrey for coming up and helping out.
Right? And Aubrey got to drive the Can-Am. Did you know that?
That's what she was saying.
Yep. And then she said, I want to drive it some more. And we're like, no. She almost ran me over.
No comment on the driving.
That was a child driving. She's 7. And we let her do it, so. She
40
was,
acres, there's no one around for miles.
and she hit the brake instead of the gas on accident, or the gas instead of the brake on accident. So it is what it is. So we are done for another weekend. I think we are busy for a while. Are we not?
Just a month.
And then it's going to be hot up here, and the wind was kicking today. Sorry it's so bumpy, but that's our road. So yeah, that's it for today, right? You got anything else?
No, we'll be back up here on the next trip and start dropping some T-posts in the ground. So,
And we got to move the H posts.
yeah. There's nothing new servers.
Right. So.
It's a big elephant, just one right at a time.
Exactly. All right. Well, thanks for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe and ring the bell.
Yeah, that's
I put him on the spot. We will talk to you guys on the next one, and thanks for joining us.
Take it
Bye.
easy, folks.
Bye.